Find the distance from -4, 9, -12 to the xy plane. So we know that is the absolute value of the z coordinate, right? Absolute value of the z coordinate. So x y plane, x y. So the distance is absolute value of -12, 12. The distance from this point to the YZ plane, YZ plane, absolute value of -4, and the distance from this point to the XZ plane, XZ, so absolute value of 9. Okay, and the distance from this point to the x coordinate, x-axis. Okay, so x-axis is in fact the center point x 0, 0. So x is a real number. I can write x is a real number. Okay, so the distance from here to this axis is a point that is the shortest distance from this point to this axis, which is the closest point, or say the point on the x-axis closest to this point, to -4, 9, -12 to the 1 belong here, and closest to this point is -4, 0, 0. So this inside this set, closest to this point is -4, 0, 0. So this will be 0, 0. So we need to compute the distance. So we need to compute the distance from the point here to this point. The distance from -4, 9, -12 to -4, 0, 0. This is the distance from this point to the x-axis, is square root of -4 minus -4 square, 0 minus 9 square, 0 minus -12 square. This is -4 plus 4 square plus 9 square plus 12 square. What is this? 0 square, 9 square, 12 square, 81, 144, right? 5, 2, square root of 225. Okay. So that is how we compute the distance from this point to this x-coordinate, x-axis. We can do the same thing for distance from the point to the y-axis. So similarly, the y-axis is a center point 0, y, 0. And the point we are given is this point. the point we are given is this point. So y-axis 0, 0. So the point on the y-axis that is closest to -4, 9, -12 is 0, 9, 0. And the distance between the 2 points is square root of 0 -4 square, 9 -9 square, 0 -12 square, which is 4 square, 0 square, 12 square, 16, 144, 0, 6, 1. Okay, let's do the last part. The distance from the given point to the y-axis. Z-axis. The z-axis is assessed at point 0, 0, z, for z is a real number. So 0, 0, z, 0, 0, z. So the closest point on the z-axis is 0, 0, -12. Okay, so the distance is square root of 0 -4, 0 -9, -12, -12 square, which is 4 square, 9 square, 0 square, 1681, which is 797. Okay, so that's how we do it.